What if one simple habit could improve your health, boost your confidence, increase your productivity, strengthen your relationships, and completely change your future? Would you believe me if I told you that habit was simply waking up 1 hour earlier? A few years ago, I would have laughed at that idea. I was the queen of the snooze button. Every morning felt like a battle. My alarm would ring, I would hit snooze. 5 minutes later, snooze again, and again, and again. Before I knew it, I was running late. Every single day felt rushed. I skipped breakfast. I left my apartment stressed. I arrived at work exhausted. And somehow, I was always wondering why my life felt out of control. This is the story of how waking up early changed everything. A few years ago, my life was not where I wanted it to be. I was 28 years old and working at a marketing company. I had dreams of starting my own business someday. I wanted to get healthier. I wanted to read more books. I wanted to learn new skills. I wanted financial freedom. But every evening, I was too tired to work on my goals. And every morning, I was too tired to wake up early. I felt trapped. The worst part was watching other people move forward while I stayed stuck. Friends were getting promotions, starting businesses, traveling, achieving goals. Meanwhile, I kept telling myself that someday I would change my life. Someday. One evening, after another stressful day, I sat on my couch scrolling through social media. I saw an old classmate celebrating the launch of her business. Another friend had completed a marathon. Someone else had bought their first home. I felt jealous, not because of their success, but because I knew I wasn't living up to my own potential. That night, I looked at myself in the mirror and asked a painful question. If nothing changes, where will I be 5 years from now? The answer scared me. Exactly where I was. Stuck. The next morning, something unusual happened. I woke up before my alarm. It was 5:30 a.m. The city outside was quiet. The world felt peaceful. For a moment, I considered going back to sleep. But instead, I got out of bed. I made a cup of coffee and sat by the window. As the sun slowly rose, I felt something I hadn't felt in a long time. Peace. No emails, no phone calls, no distractions. Just me and my thoughts. That morning, I read 10 pages of a book. I wrote down my goals. I planned my day. When I arrived at work, I felt surprisingly energized. It wasn't a life-changing morning, but it was different. The next day, I woke up early again, and the day after that. The first week was difficult. Some mornings I wanted to quit. My warm bed felt much more attractive than my alarm clock, but I kept going. Soon, I noticed something interesting. I wasn't just waking up earlier. I was becoming a different person. Because I had extra time in the morning, I started exercising. Just 20 minutes a day. After a month, I had more energy. After 2 months, I felt stronger. After 3 months, people started noticing the difference. Then I used my mornings to learn new skills. While others were sleeping, I was reading books, taking online courses, and working on my business idea. Little by little, I was building a better future. But life wasn't about to make things easy. A year later, my company announced major changes. several employees would lose their jobs. The office was filled with fear. Many people panicked, including me. But unlike before, I had something I didn't have a year earlier: preparation. For months, I had been developing new skills during my early mornings. I had built a small freelance business on the side. I had improved my confidence. I had improved my health. Those quiet morning hours had been preparing me for this moment. A few weeks later, I was laid off. At first, I felt devastated. But then something incredible happened. Instead of falling apart, I moved forward. My freelance business began growing faster. The skills I had developed helped me attract clients. The discipline I built from waking up early helped me stay focused. Within a year, I was earning more money than I had ever earned at my old job. But the biggest transformation wasn't financial. It was personal. I became healthier, more confident, more organized, more optimistic. I finally felt in control of my life. A few years later, I stood in my own office, looking out the window as the sun rose. My business was successful. My health was better than ever. I had achieved goals that once seemed impossible. And it all started with one simple decision: getting out of bed. People often ask me what changed my life. They expect some complicated answer, a secret strategy, a special opportunity, a lucky break. But the truth is much simpler. I started waking up early. Not because waking up early is magical, but because those early hours gave me something priceless: time. Time to improve. Time to think. Time to learn. Time to build the life I wanted. Most people wait for life to change, but successful people create change, one day at a time. And for me, every day began before sunrise. The lesson of this story is simple. You don't need to change your entire life overnight. You don't need to become a completely different person tomorrow. Sometimes all it takes is one small habit, one extra hour, one better decision, one step in the right direction. Because small changes, repeated every day, create extraordinary results. If you're feeling stuck right now, maybe your breakthrough is waiting on the other side of an earlier alarm clock. Maybe your future success is hiding in those quiet morning hours. Maybe tomorrow morning could be the beginning of a completely different life. Thank you so much for listening to my story. If this story inspired you, please like this video and share it with someone who needs a little motivation today. Comment below and tell me, what time do you usually wake up? And would you like to become an early riser? And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more motivational stories, English listening practice videos, and personal growth content. Remember, you don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start. Wake up, show up, and create the life you've been dreaming about. Your future is waiting.